What's up, everybody? It's Hawaii Cali Vegas. I'm Shane, and you're with me on another One Take Wednesday. So, you guys know from 8/6 Fest the battle damage that I had, and from when we were putting away the tents and packing up and stuff. So let me give you like one quick reminder view, and I'm pretty sure you guys all remember, but all the damage that happened was, I'm hoping superficial, but some of it I think is actually through the clear. So this is what happened. Right here, all the way down there, yeah. So, what location is this?
This is my parents' house.
Yeah. Ah, that's what's up.
Yeah, they're letting us work out here for as long as we need, so I mean.
Nice.
Did you already
Nice.
water this wash out here?
No, I'm about to.
So,
Yeah, it's all.
dude, we're at Mike's headquarters. We'll call it headquarters. So they're in the process of some things. So they're gonna take care of it for me to get, or they're gonna try and get all that out. That way we'll be ready for Blocks Evo this coming weekend. And I mean, as you guys can see, the video is gonna be coming out soon anyway, but all that aero in the back got powder coated. I got that powder coated, and the wheel, I finally got that fixed. I took it apart because it was leaking really bad. It seems to be fine now. But I want to give a big shout out to, oh, you know who did it? Remember you're like, oh, you should probably find somebody that's good with the rims and tires and stuff? Yeah. I took it to discount off of, ooh, it'll come to me. But it's near the airport, kind of, up to 51. They have this thing, it's called the octopus machine. Have you guys heard of it?
Yeah, I've heard it, but I don't really know what
It doesn't touch the wheel at all. Yeah. Well, I mean, it touches it like where the hub sits, but that's about it. They don't use like extra arms and things to do it. The machine does everything. So, here we go. So I'm gonna let them do their thing, but another update. I mean, you guys will see the video. Like I said, you'll see the video soon. But yeah, the clear.
Yeah. The rest of it, I mean, it's coming off over there pretty good. So this part right here, though, it's broken through the clear, so there's not really anything we can do right there. But yeah, Sean from Slick Shot, he's the man, dude. He's actually doing my side skirts are getting dropped off there. Did you see what happened?
No. I saw it was
I
off.
literally just went, alright. In my alignment, just lowered it. And, goddamn, dude, it fucking just broke my heart, man.
What happened?
They were pulling it up on the machine.
No.
So, like, it's not even that low, you know? Like, they could totally get it up on the machine, like, safely. Had placed the boards in the proper position, which they didn't. They did not place the boards in the proper position at all. And so I'm like waiting inside, and I'm like, you know what?
They busted your
I'm
side
gonna
skirt.
go check and see what they're doing. And I go out there, and he's like going up it, and the way that the board is sitting, so like the ramp is like right here, and they've made these boards with like these metal brackets on them and everything.
Right.
And so it's pretty much just like the way that he positioned it, it was like a fucking pyramid. So like obviously it's gonna fucking hit the car. Like,
Yeah.
you know, if he would have just put the board like halfway up the ramp, and it would have been like a straight shot, which is what we did after they fucked up my shit. But yeah, it just ripped the fucking side skirts off. So
No.
I was really fucking sad. So now those are gonna get
Damn. You're gonna be riding like that?
Yeah.
Oh man.
I was very sad though.
What are you lowered on?
Oh, Stain Super Sports.
Oh, okay. They're pretty stiff.
Yeah, I like them. I've got them on the full stiffness, and I like them a lot, man. They ride really good. I haven't even been able to like drive hard though, because like I had a bunch of shit in my trunk and everything, and I didn't want to do anything crazy till I got my alignment and everything all figured out. But
So low he blew the side skirts off. That's alright. They'll take care of it. It's gonna be pretty. Those headlights, man. They're so aggressive.
Dragon laminates. That's like the subtle line. Pretty cool. I've always wanted to have like blue headlights. Like everyone does yellow, but a lot of the Le Mans GT cars, you know, they'll do yellow or blue, and you never really see blue. So
Yeah.
like, why not?
I was thinking about doing yellow on mine, but
Yellow's dope, dude.
yellow's dope. But let's see what else. Well, that's really all I wanted to do. Is I wanted to update you guys on the car. Oh, let me show you a couple more things. If you'll be able to hear me in here. But so the GT3 mirrors, Recaro seat, and then OEM audio stereo. It's just chilling back there, all ghetto style.
I just need to polish it.
All gone?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, everything's but that little thing, but for what it keeps, that's not bad.
When you watch this, Jarrett, you're gonna see, thanks to Ceramic Pro Arizona, knocking all that out, even though that's still there. But there's nothing there to do. That's right. It needs to get painted anyway, eventually. Well, I really want to do paint.
Yeah, full paint. Yeah, Sean, dude, like,
Just running out of money. So, if any of you guys are watching this and you guys know somebody that can paint, on the hookup, I'm running out of money. My pockets are, look, they're so empty. There's a hole in them now. But yeah, so I need to get this thing painted. There's some flaws that are starting to show up. So when you guys see the car, don't look for them. You'll eventually see them. But yeah, the car is gonna be ready. Oh, you guys don't know, but you know the wing that was here? It's gone. It's gone. No, I've got something else coming. So watch out for my Instagram. I'm gonna get it Friday when I head over to San Francisco. So Instagram Friday, maybe I'll have a video up on Friday as well for it. I did. Yes. I did have a question though. You guys don't look. So you know how with the Ceramic Pro, it can be healed, right?
Yeah.
So I'm hoping, it's hard to tell because it's dirty now.
Was there like any
But-
scratches or anything like
Yeah.
that? How'd the scratches get there?
Some of them got there from putting this in. This is the only one that was really a pain in the ass.
Okay.
And then one, I just saw like some it was like,
Okay.
I don't know. Did it? I saw it last night when I was washing the car. Whoa! Oh, and stickers don't stick to Ceramic Pro.
They do, it's just very hard.
So I put the same SoFresh sticker
Yeah.
on the windshield, and driving out to
It blew
86
off.
Fest, it was blowing off.
No way.
Oh,
Yeah,
man. Yeah,
so-
they're really hard to get to stick. I promise they do work because we've gotten stickers on Ceramic Pro before, but it definitely takes a little bit. You always do dry application. It takes like a lot of squeezing.
Yeah.
You just gotta set it down like really good. Make sure it's like yeah, and then just kind of let it bake, and it'll stay on there.
Oh, well, it didn't want to.
Oh, is that the cloudiness you were talking about?
Yeah, can you see like the little lines? Anyway, guys, we're gonna end this one here. One Take Wednesday. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out. If you guys like the video or you guys like the updates, like the video, and then subscribe if you haven't already. And if you have any questions, comments, or anything like that, of course, leave it down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Mahalo.
OnFire.com